Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming permissions and immediate environment. Allow camera, microphone, and screen recording in system settings so the share works. Next, pick the app you'll use, native meeting software or a dedicated screen capture tool, and sign in. Once done, silence notifications and close private tabs to avoid accidental exposure. Make sure your display resolution is appropriate for viewers. If needed, switch to a single monitor view to reduce confusion. Now you're ready to select the screen or window to share. You'll now choose exactly what to share: the entire display for demos that cross apps or a specific window for focused presentations, and you should favor a specific window for privacy. Then enable system audio when necessary and verify input/output levels so sound comes through cleanly. If your software allows, set resolution and frame rate to balance clarity and bandwidth. Lowering frame rate helps on slow connections. Finally, test a quick 10-second recording or preview to confirm visuals and audio are correct before inviting. You start sharing and immediately verify with someone or use the preview. Confirm viewers see the intended content and hear system audio. While presenting, use built-in annotation or highlight the cursor to guide attention and pause sharing when switching sensitive material. If something goes wrong, no audio, frozen screen, or wrong window, stop sharing, restart the app, and reselect the screen. Also check firewall and privacy settings. Remember to end the session cleanly and restore notifications once finished to return to normal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.